Welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble my popcorn box template. So I have it here designed and printed. Now I am going to cut out. I am hand cutting these. It comes printed on 2 papers. The final size is about 6 inches by 3.5 wide. So it's a pretty large popcorn box. I will be having the smaller box that prints on 1 sheet of paper template available. For this print, I left the score marks on. You can see the little green marks that I left on there. That is where you're going to fold at. Now that I have it all cut out here, I am going to take my ruler and I am going to fold these marks. Again, the score marks are here. You don't have to print with the score marks. I just did it for this video. I like to use this ruler I got from the Dollar Tree because it's thin and it helps me fold when I am having to crease my own folds and I'm not using my scoreboard. So once you get all your things folded, you're gonna fold them in the right way. And then you're going to assemble your pieces. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So I'm using my tape runner for this video. My Elmer's tape runner. Well, I thought I was using it for this video. 1 second. All right. Just run your tape runner on the folds. I don't know what's going on with this tape runner, so we are going to try to put this in another one. Like it don't want to work properly, but we'll get it together. So you're just going to place your glue or your adhesive, whatever you're using, on the folds. Yeah, this tape runner is busted. Just refill. Whatever. Gotta do one of these. Now we are going to place them together. And just line them up. Push down. And I'm going to take this here. And I'm going to line that up. I didn't even fold that in correctly, so let me do the proper fold first. And now we're gonna line that up with this. And we'll do the same to the other side. And last but not least, this part here, line it up. Line it up. And now we have our finished popcorn box. Of course, oops, my glue ain't sticking. But of course you can add your own design, words. It is 6 feet tall and about 3.5 inches wide. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.